I've seen beauty before, but this is a discovery.
Damn! Good gracious God! I've seen beauty before, but this is a discovery.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glowdabs here, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your Instagram photos by yourself. If you like taking pictures and you live alone, and this has always been a problem for you because there's no one to take your pictures, I got you. Your problem is solved right now because of me. So the things you're going to be needing, one of it is a tripod stand, and then you need this phone holder. So let me just detach it from this part. So you need this one separately for if you want to take your pictures like this with your phone straight like this. But if you're going to take it this way, then you don't necessarily need this part, because this part is the part that can go up and down. Don't worry, if you don't understand, you understand soon. I'm going to show you guys how this is going to work. And also you need a Bluetooth remote. So that's it for the indoor pictures. Next, we're going to be going outside to take pictures outside. If you have a backyard or somewhere secluded around your area, or if you don't care that there's too much people going to be looking at you, whatever you want, spot where the sun is shining very bright, and we're going to take some shots. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click the subscribe button, like, share, comment, all of that stuff. And I hope you guys were able to learn one thing or the other. It's really easy to take your own photos yourself. As a matter of fact, sometimes it's even better to take your own photos yourself because only you has your kind of patience. I don't know about you guys, but me, I have patience for myself. Other people might not. Okay, see ya.